Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. It's a monster camellia. It's Camellia black lace. Lots and lots of buds ready to open as well. And they will open out into really deep red flowers like that. See all the buds here, great big juicy buds. This plant made these buds last August and made up its mind it's going to have lots and lots of flowers this year, just ready to burst open now. They do very well in pots and containers or out in open ground. It's important to leave them in a sheltered from early morning sun. Early morning sun after a nice frost makes an awful mess of camellia, so be careful on your positioning of your camellia plants. But hardy, evergreen, easy to manage, tough as old boots. Keep them fed regularly with our high iron formula. You see that in the web shop. It's just a dry feed that you should give them every 4 to 6 weeks to keep your camellia in good conditions. That's extra size Camellia black lace are ready from now, and we don't often have plants as large as these ones, but gorgeous deep red. You can see it here just starting to think about opening now. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.